Hey traders, John Howell here. Let's go have a look at the markets today. A lot of things are happening right now, guys. A lot of amazing opportunities. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So let's get straight into it. Traders, one thing I want to talk about right now is how are you setting your trading up for success? Okay, what are you doing for your success in the markets here? Because there is a really amazing, strong foundation that happens across these markets, all right? See how you actually have, like if we actually, let me blow this up here for a minute, okay? All right, look at this here. This is 1,000 different stocks. How can you qualify any of these stocks to be a really good trading opportunity? And that's my very first point, is that if you are going to the markets and you have no idea what you're doing, you have no idea what you're looking for, that is your starting point, right? That is your starting point. And this is something that I really talk about in the Super Trader Formula. By the way, guys, Super Trader Formula, I'm giving it away for free, first 15 people. See that first link in the description there? Click on that. It's going to take you over to the free trading course. When you go to the free trading course, put your email address in to get the free course, because the free course is going to help you. But the very first video, I'm also going to be sharing with you what I call the Super Trader Formula. And it's for the very first 15 people only. And you see the reason why only 15 people only. Again, but I'm going to share it with you for free. But the first 15 people only get the Super Trader Formula. So go there right now, guys. First link in the description there. Click on that. And then go, and on the very first video you get is the Super Trader Formula. Now, the purpose of me saying what I said there is that a lot of people, they go through all these different stocks here and they just don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're looking for. It's like, oh, is AGL? Is AGL a good stock to short or buy, and so on and so forth? And as you can see, right, there's a lot of different opportunities out there. A lot of different stocks are making this here. Now, what I do want to share with you and what I do want to say is this, guys, is that trading the markets is all about having a really high probability of a success. And coming to the markets, I come to the markets with a set of rules and a pattern in my mind of what I'm looking for. So if I'm going to go through these stocks, I'm looking for a certain type of pattern that I can trade. Now, the beauty thing about that is that what I do for me and my private clients is I actually have a scanner, right? And as you can see here, here's the scanner that I have. And you can see I actually have 5 different scans here. But you can see, this is scan number 1, scan number 2, scan number 3. Oh, scan number 3. There we go, right? And then scan number 4 as well too, right? So as you can see, let me bring this over here. So there's 4 different types of scans here that I personally use here at 1. Oh, there's actually black in it, right? So you can see what I'm looking at there. Anyway, so and so basically these 4 different scans, and then we have this scan here, which is more like just a generic scan, but I have 4 different scans here that I've actually created. And so what I do, guys, is I have a really high probability trading system, But there's no way I'm going to be spending hours and hours and hours looking at the stock market. So for me personally, I open up my charts half an hour before the market closes. And when I do open up the charts half an hour before the market closes, then what I do is I then utilize the scans, and instead of me spending hours and hours looking for, I utilize the scans, and the scans bring back what's called potentials. I don't ever believe using AI and systems like this to actually to say, okay, this is exactly where to buy, this is exactly where to sell. No, there's a combination which makes you successful, which makes you at the helm of doing really well. One, you getting really good at trading. Right? Again, guys, that first thing in the description there, guys, click on that. In the actual trading course you're going to get, I talk a lot about the actual chart reading techniques. And again, that first video is all about the Super Trader Formula that I'm giving away for free for the first 15 people. But this is all about this here. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because when we're looking at the markets, we're looking at the markets from a point of probability. So there's thousands and thousands of stocks we can trade that are making all different types of patterns. But there's really, what we want to bring it down to one really powerful pattern that's going to give us a really good chance of doing really well, right? That way we can simplify the process. And so this is what I do. And this is the reason why I spend half an hour looking at the markets, because I have the scans do most of the work for me. And then instead of me spending, hours and hours going through thousands of stocks, I only have to go through, what is this here? Maybe 20 different stocks to find a setup. By the way, I found one trade today And literally within 20 minutes, my trading was done because thanks to the scans. Anyway, so I want to preface that moving into today's video. Now, looking at the actual stock market itself, guys, this market is continuing to pull back. Again, guys, this is just a pullback. This was expected. This is expected. I was screaming this a month ago saying, guys, we get this pullback here. This is actually a screaming that's right here, guys. The pullback's going to happen. The pullback's going to happen. And now we're getting the pullback. How deep is this going to go? No one really knows, but we actually had quite a big move to the upside. So to get a nice, good pullback, it's just a normal flow of a good, healthy bull market. The big problem that I'm seeing some people right now is they're thinking, that's it, the top's in, the market's going to crash, top's in, top's in, top's in, top's in. No, top's not in, top's not in. All right, up, down, all right? Upward trend is what? Higher highs and higher lows, right? Top's in, no, pullback. Top's in, no, pullback. Top's in, no, pullback. Top's in, no, pullback. Right? When is top in? Top's in. Right? You get what I'm trying to say there, right? So no, it's not. And top is not in. It's just a pullback there. S&P 500, and then also looking at the Nasdaq as well too. Again, what's this here? This is just a nice, good, healthy pullback, guys. This was expected. This is the reason why I was screaming to the cows come home a month ago saying, guys, I don't know when this is going to happen. No one knows when this is going to happen, but it is coming. So if you're going to try to capture this last little bit move here, that's very, 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 very dangerous. Right? Now what's happening? We're getting this blow up. We're getting the drop here. What's going to happen? We're probably going to get more of a drop. We don't know how long that drop's going to be. I don't know when it's going to pick up, but there's a high probability after this pullback is happening, we're going to what? We're going to continue higher lows, pullback, higher high, higher lows, and away we go. So I'm still expecting to see the S&P 500, guys, make an all-time new high in the markets here, okay? So this is so important, guys, for you and your success there. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to plug my coaching program. If you do need daily coaching, guys, I got one spot left to my coaching program. If you do need really good coaching every day, if you want to see what I'm doing and for me to coach you every single day, 1 year coaching program, one spot left. Second link in the description. Go fill out the application form. I've got one spot left. I've got some people to call today. So who knows? It actually could be filled up today. So second link in the description there, guys. Go fill out the application form and I'll speak to you personally. So looking at that there, that's what we're seeing, right? Now, there is one market that I believe is going to make an explosive. This one market is going to make an explosive move, and that is, drum roll. Anyone have a guess? Have a guess. Guessing. Oh, okay, cool. All right. I think you guys got it. Oil market. The oil market. I believe the oil market is on the cusp. It is now giving us the early warning signs of a massive explosive move coming. And that is the oil market here, okay? The oil market. We were in this overall downward trend. In fact, actually with my private clients, again, second link in the description, guys, go get it. With my private clients, the thing that I was talking about with them today was exactly this. This was exactly about oil and why. I don't have time to go through this step by step here, but I explained to them why the techniques, the strategies, the patterns, and the processes on these charts is definitely setting up. But on a very simple basis for you guys, we can see now that we're completely starting to change the tune. So I'm expecting to see the pullback. I don't know how deep the pullback is going to be, but if indeed we do start to see something like that, this is going to be the time, guys. This is going to be the time for an explosive move to the upside, and we're probably going to see the USO market start to get back up to say 90, probably even 95, and away we go. Now, when that happens, look at the real big picture. We could be looking at, again, this is the USO market here. That's that high market there. We could actually be looking at, This USO could even start to get back up towards that sort of 110 level after we've had this very strong leg up. Now we've had all this slow move up. Now we're starting to break out. Guys, I'm telling you right now, oil is one of the sectors we should be focusing on as the stock market's pulling back and so on and so forth. Plus also, guys, some of the crypto markets right now, oh my goodness, they're setting up so good. Anyway, that's it for me today, guys. Stock market, guys, a quick recap of what I've talked about today. Firstly, you must go to the market with knowing what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're guessing, you're gambling. Again, first link in the description, guys, click on that. I give you my trading course, I give you my trading system, and I give you the super trader formula as well too. If you do need help, second link in the description, guys. I'll personally coach you every single day to help you get it right. But what are you looking for? Secondly, we use AI to help us find potential so we can condense it down to help us find the potential out of all the thousands of stocks out there. Thirdly, we talked about the stock market being in just a pullback here. The pullback is just that. It's just the pullback against a pullback is what? Strong upward trend, a slight down move before we see another ricochet rabbit to the upside. And the oil market, guys, is all about, to me, I believe it's now giving us an early warning sign that over the next 6 months, we're likely to see some really good upward movement. But first, we're likely to see likely to see some form of a short-term pullback out of oil and the potentially big upside to come.